Hey guys, happy Wednesday. So I just got back from Den Haag to quickly get my IND. But yeah, this week has been very chill. It's very like a normal work week for me. So Monday I just got the kids like the morning, and then I came back and quickly did like I think 2 or 3 loads of washing actually. So yeah, I was quite busy with the washing like the whole day. And then I just got Bing from school and we had lunch together, and then the grandma and grandpa came. So then I just like chilled with them for a while and we were like chatting and everything, and then they made dinner. So we had like this veggie curry and rice, so it was so good. So yesterday I just did like the bedding, but I had a few extra hours to work, so me and Bing just went to like a little park and just played there for a while. But I didn't film anything. We just like walked around in the park. We didn't actually like play because it was quite cold, but he needed to get out of the house for a while. So yeah, so we just went with like the pram and we just walked around and saw like a bunch of the ducks, and yeah, it was quite pretty with all of the leaves and everything. But yeah, the rest of the day I just like cleaned my room and also like folded the laundry of Monday and everything. And then usually on a Tuesday night I just like heat up the dinner, and then I have dinner with the kids because both the parents are usually busy until after dinner. So yeah, so that was quite fun. We had like chicken wings and potatoes and salad, so that was very nice. And then like today I just went to Den Haag to get my IND, so that was quite an early morning. I needed to be there I think at like 20 past 9, and it was like an hour's train ride for me. So, and then at least the IND is like right beside the train station, so I basically just like got out, got my IND and came back because I felt a little bit ill this morning. But yeah, now I think I'm better. Like my throat was kind of sore and my nose was a bit runny, but I think it was just a cold of yesterday, so I don't think I'm getting sick at least. But yeah, that was my week so far.